Okay, so the end of that video just got cut off right at the 15-minute mark. That's all it gives us to do videos with. So we were almost through the computation, and we got it to this point where we got c equals 25 over sine of 82 times sine of 57. I really just need to punch that into a calculator at this point, which I can make a little quick 1-minute video for. So we'll go to our calculator, and again, what we're going to be punching in is 25 divided by the sine of 82 times the sine of, let's just check to make sure I get that angle measure right, 58.7. So I'll go back here, punch in my 58.7 and hit enter. And that gives me 21.5, or actually rounding up 21.6. So I'll pencil that in for C, 21.6, and we'll call the triangle solved. Again, better than to rush through the last couple of seconds of that video, I just figured we'd put in a little 1-minute video to finish it up. So that's it. Lesson's done for day 2.